Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the essential shipping documents in freight forwarding. Let's get started. In here I have shown you about the important document that you have to prepare, that you have to know what the process in freight forwarding. You can see in here, starting from the live image, you can see in here invoice, packing list, purchasing order or PO, and LC, letter of credit. In international trade and freight forwarding, proper documentation is the backbone of the smooth and secure transactions. Among the many papers involved, four documents stand out as essential: invoice, packing list, purchasing order, and LC or letter of credit. Okay, I will give you the definition about each of all in this, starting from invoice. Invoice define the value of the goods and serve as the basic for payment and custom clearance. Okay, invoice. The packing list provides detailed information about how the goods are packed, helping custom and consignees verify the shipment. Purchase order represent the buyer's formal request and agreement with the seller, establishing the foundation of the transaction. LC of or letter of credit ensures financial security, countering that the exporter receives payment once shipping requirements are fulfilled. And this is the definition about of all this: invoice, packing list, purchasing order, and LC, letter of credit. You can imagine in the process freight forwarding. I will give you the example. For example, an Indonesian furniture company. In here, there are two companies from Indonesia as exporter and from US for buyer or importer. For example, the US company want to buy furniture from Indonesia, and the first step from US company doing purchasing order number 1. The US buyer sends a PO or purchasing order to Indonesian exporter. Okay. The first step, the US company create purchasing order to Indonesian exporter. Purchasing order, a document issued by buyer to formally request goods from the seller. And the content of this purchasing order, such as quantity, price, delivery terms, and condition. Purchasing order acts as a contract and reference for both buyer and seller. Okay, and in it states for PO, for example, 500 wooden chair, and unit price, for example, $50, and total you times this 500 times 50, total $25,000, and the transportation by sea. Okay, this PO becomes the official contract. Okay, you can imagine for this example, the company US buy products, furniture from Indonesia company, and the total value is $25,000. Okay, I hope for this first step. And next, after US company create PO purchasing order, and then for the payment, the Indonesian exporter issues a commercial invoice. Okay, this is for payment, and the exporter Indonesian create invoice number 2, step number 2, and it details the buyer's name, seller's name, good price, total amount, due and payment terms. The invoice is required for custom clearance and for payment. Okay, invoice issued by the seller to buyer. Okay, and purchasing order issued by buyer. Okay, issued by buyer, and invoice issued by seller. Okay, and the content of invoice about the goods sold, prices, payment term, and total amount due. Okay, used for custom clearance and payment settlement in international trade. Okay, I hope you know about the differences between purchase order and invoice. Next to number 3, packing list in here. The exporter prepares a packing list describing how the 500 chairs are packed. Example, 50 cartons each contain 10 chairs, and for example the total weight is 5,000 kilogram. Custom officials use this to check the shipment content against the invoice. It is very important for custom officer for releasing goods in the port. Okay, and just information, if you use transportation by sea, you also need document, bill of lading. You also need this document, and the function of this document to release goods in the port. If you don't have this, you cannot release the goods out of port. Okay, packing list, I hope you know about this. It is created by exporter, and in this case by Indonesian company, and the exporter writes the content of the packaging. Okay, packing list, a detailed list of the shipment's contents prepared by the exporter, and for in this case it's by Indonesian company, and the content includes such as quantity, weight, dimension, and packaging detail of goods, and the function to help custom freight forwarders and consignees identify and verify the cargo. Okay, I hope you know about the term of packing list. Next to LC or letter of credit. The function of this letter of credit to ensure the transaction. The US buyer arranges an LC through their bank. Okay, you can imagine the US company have agreement with local bank in US company. The LC states that once the exporter submit the correct shipping document, for example, invoice, packing list, bill of lading, and extra, the bank will release the payment. Okay. Company in the US have agreement with bank in their local bank. After all this process finish, this bank will pay to Indonesian exporter. This guarantees the exporter will get paid after fulfilling the shipment requirements. Okay, this is the function of letter of credit. The bank will pay money to Indonesian exporter. Letter of credit, a financial document issued by a bank, okay, on behalf of the buyer, and the position in this case is from US company, guarantees payment to the seller once the required shipping documents are presented, reduces risk in international trade by securing the transaction for both parties. Okay, I hope you understand for this term of LC, letter of credit. Okay, and the result for this sample, the exporter is confident they will be paid because of LC. Okay, in this case, the Indonesian exporter is confident because they will be paid from LC, letter of credit, and the importer is sure the correct goods are shipped thanks to invoice plus packing list. Custom can verify the cargo easily, and the function to release goods in the port. The transaction runs smoothly and securely. Okay, I hope you understand for these important documents. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.